Hey guys, what's up? I'm Caitlin from Leafy Alone Plants, and today we are going to be talking about the Eucalyptus Farms subscription box, everything that you need to know. We're going to be doing an unboxing. This is the first box that I have ever gotten, so it's as much of a surprise for me as it is for you guys. I feel like I need to give the disclaimer at the beginning of this video of the fact that my hair looks like I stuck my finger in a light socket. If you're asking why I look this way, I don't know. Maybe, that's how 2020 be. Your guess is as good as mine. So yeah, we'll just call that out to begin with. But anyway, starting off with this little review, I'll just give you a little backstory about the company. So I initially was, just living my best life, scrolling through Facebook, and I came across this ad for what was a giant vase of eucalyptus sitting in someone's house. And now, a little to take that even a step further back of why this instantly intrigued me was a while ago on Pinterest, one of my other places that I love to frequent. I saw this thing about how if you hang eucalyptus in your shower, the steam from the shower releases oils during your shower and it opens up your pores and it makes your shower smell amazing. So ever since that day, ever since I saw that pin, I was like, I need eucalyptus in my life. But here's the thing, here in Arizona, I literally cannot find this shit anywhere. So when I got served this ad on Facebook for a monthly subscription box for eucalyptus, I was like, sign me up right now. And that is exactly what I did. So if you are interested in this subscription box, I don't know if I said it already, it is $12 per month. Your first month that you sign up, shipping is going to be free, and then every month thereafter, I can't remember if it is $7 or $7.99. Either way, it comes out to about $20 for the month to get a nice little fresh bouquet of eucalyptus shipped to your door. They ship out of California, and pretty sure they guarantee 2-day shipping. They ship every Tuesday, so based on when you place your order, it'll go out pretty shortly after that. It is a Thursday today, so it would make sense that, shipped out Tuesday, 2 days, and it's Thursday, and here we are. So, on first glance of this box, I think it's great. It's a super sturdy box, no worries of this bending, breaking. If you unbox plant mail, you will know it's super common for, things to break and boxes to get crushed in the mail. So super happy with the outside of this box. Of course, it's labeled with, can handle with care, that it's fragile, and it even has special postage. I'm not even sure if this is something you could pay extra for, but it says that it is time-sensitive material. Now, it does concern me a little bit. It sounds like something's I'm not sure if you guys can hear this. It literally says fragile. I probably shouldn't be doing this, but it sounds like a lot of things are shaking around in there. I hope it's not just going to be a box of dead items, but no time like the present, so let's cut this bad boy open. I am literally so beyond excited for this. Okay, so it looks pretty good. I've never seen eucalyptus in my life before, so I don't really know what to compare it to. Oh, maybe not. I don't know, guys. I really don't know. If eucalyptus is supposed to be crunchy like this. It smells delicious. It literally smells amazing. So that's a plus, and it's a nice little bundle, twist tied together. I really had no idea what to expect ordering this. Literally no idea. So yeah, I guess I'm pretty happy with this. Maybe eucalyptus is just supposed to be crunchy when it's dried like this. I'm not really sure. So I guess we're just gonna have to hang this up in my shower and we'll see what happens. But yeah, here is what I got mailed to me for $12. It seems like there is a couple other things in this box. Okay, so this is Baby Blue Eucalyptus is the type that this is. Let's see what this says. So, for care, covered in a waxy powder, very aromatic. Yes, I will agree with that. Especially when run under warm water. Okay, this is making me really excited because, like I said, I want to hang this from my shower and hopefully, release all those eucalyptus aromas into my shower. Okay, so keep fresh for longer by removing 2 to 3 inches of leaves from the stems and putting me in a vase of water. hopefully, you know, being constantly in a super moist environment will do the same thing. Guess we'll see. Your bouquet will stay fresh for about 1 to 2 weeks, after which it looks beautiful as dried floral decor. Okay, cool, very cool. I literally feel like this is dried already, and I'm not sure. Maybe this is how it's supposed to be. Maybe it's because it shipped to me in Arizona and it is like 110 degrees here every day. I don't really know. Overall, I would say for $12, yeah, I'm pretty happy. I can't really complain. You get also this cute little card. I guess you can gift it. There's a 100% satisfaction guarantee. So, yeah, that is, I guess, basically everything that we have to go over for the Eucalyptus Farms box. I guess with all things considered, I would probably recommend this box if you are like me and on some crazy quest to turn every inch of your house into a jungle, including my shower. Also planning on soon doing a video for plants that can survive in, or, you know, temporarily survive in complete darkness in my bathroom, because my bathroom doesn't have windows. So stay tuned for that video. But if you found this one helpful, give it a like, hit that subscribe button. We'll hopefully be doing more videos like this in the future. I know there's a couple plant subscription boxes out there, so if you guys enjoyed this video, maybe we will hop on a couple more of those. I don't know why I feel inclined to say this for some crazy reason. If you thought that this video is sponsored, it's definitely not. We're not that cool here. But thank you guys so much for checking out this video, and we will see you in the next one.